Children, let's learn how to spell. Let's spell bake. Bake. B A K E. Bake. Bake. Let's spell read. Read. R E A D. Read. Read. Let's spell work. Work. W O R K. Work. Work. Let's spell talk. Talk. T A L K. Talk. Talk. Let's spell cook. Cook. C O O K. Cook. Cook. Let's spell bat. Bat. B A T H. Bat. Bat. Let's spell ride. Ride. R I D E. Ride. Ride. Let's spell walk. Walk. W A L K. Walk. Walk. Let's spell give. Give. G I V E. Give. Give. Let's spell wait. Wait. W A I T. Wait. Wait. Let's spell stop. Stop. S T O P. Stop. Stop. Let's spell love. Love. L O V E. Love. Love. Let's spell here. Here. H E A R. Here. Here. Good job, children! See you in the next videos. Thank you for watching.